How's the weather today? It's windy. How's the weather today? It's raining. How's the weather today? Today is a beautiful sunny day. Today is a beautiful day. I draw on the hay and wait for my doggies to play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the small one is still on his way. So I pray and say, wish he grows into a big dog one day. So we can be all together and play, play, play. What would you like to eat? We would like to eat some hot pizza. What would you like to drink? We would like to drink some hot tea. What would you like for dessert? We would like to drink some hot chocolate for dessert. Look at the snake. It is long. Look at the giraffe's neck. It is very long. But the whale is longer. Look at the car. It is long. Look at the truck. It is very long. But the train is much longer. I eat breakfast at 7 in the morning. I eat 7 donuts and 7 eggs. I am full.